Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. The word of the day. The word of the day is admonish. Admonish. Admonish का मतलब है सलाह देना या चेतावनी देना. आप इसे चेतावनी के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो या फिर किसी को एडवाइस यानी सलाह देने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. Admonish is a verb. The synonyms are to rebuke, to scold, to warn someone for something. Admonish is generally used to warn someone for not doing something in order to improve his or her behavior. That means if you want to improve somebody's behavior or you want to tell or suggest the person to do something, we use the word admonish. And the sentences are, the teacher admonished him to be in the class on time. That means the teacher warned him to be in the class on time. His mother admonished him for watching television for a long time. That means his mother scolded him, rebuked him, or warned him as he was watching television for a long time. So you can replace these words with a new word, admonished. So quickly frame a sentence and comment me below. And I'll be back again with a new word tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye and take care.